Today, we'll explore how to add BBC iPlayer to your smart TV, ensuring you don't miss out on your favourite British television. Before we dive in, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to get BBC iPlayer up and running on your smart TV. Whether you're a fan of dramas, comedies or documentaries, BBC iPlayer has something for everyone. Our focus will be on ensuring you can enjoy all these shows from the comfort of your living room. We'll cover various types of smart TVs, from Samsung to LG and Sony to Panasonic. Each brand has slightly different settings, but don't worry, we're here to help you through them. By the end of this guide, setting up BBC iPlayer on your TV will seem like a breeze. Now, let's get started with the main content. Adding BBC iPlayer to your smart TV can seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. First, ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet. This might seem obvious. It's a crucial first step. For most smart TVs, the next step is to navigate to the App Store. This is usually found on your TV's home screen. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to find BBC iPlayer. You might need to type it in using your TV remote, so take your time to get it right. Once you have found BBC iPlayer in the App Store, select it and you should see an option to install. Click on Install and the app should begin downloading depending on your internet speed. This might take a few minutes. Patience is key here. After the app has downloaded, it should automatically install on your smart TV. If it doesn't, you might need to manually trigger the installation from your download folder. Check your TV's manual if you're unsure how to do this. Once installed, you'll need to open the app. This is where you might need to have your BBC account ready. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one on the BBC website. It's free and only requires some basic information like your email address. After logging in, you might be prompted to enter a code. This code ensures that your TV can securely access your BBC iPlayer account. Go to the BBC website on your phone or computer, enter the code, and your TV should be connected. Now, with BBC iPlayer installed, you'll need to navigate its interface. The home screen usually features suggested programs, popular shows, and categories like drama and comedy. You can use your remote to scroll through these options. If you know what you want to watch, you can use the search function. This can be found at the top of the screen in most versions of the app. Simply type in the name of the show or a keyword, and you should see a list of options. Remember, BBC iPlayer also allows you to stream live TV. This means you can watch channels like BBC 1 and 2 live, just as if you were watching them on a traditional TV. To access live TV, navigate to the Channels tab on the BBC iPlayer home screen. It's also worth mentioning that BBC iPlayer offers subtitles for most of its shows. This is great if you need them for accessibility reasons or if you just prefer to watch with subtitles. To turn on subtitles, start playing a show, then look for the subtitle option in the playback controls. Lastly, if you're experiencing any issues with BBC iPlayer, such as buffering or error messages, a good first step is to check your internet connection. You might also want to restart your smart TV or reinstall the BBC iPlayer app if problems persist. By following these steps, you should have BBC iPlayer set up on your smart TV. Enjoy watching your favourite shows and exploring new ones from the expansive BBC library. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to comment below. Adding BBC iPlayer to your smart TV not only expands your viewing options, but also comes with various advantages and some considerations. Here, let's discuss these to give you a clearer picture of what to expect. One major advantage is access to a wide range of BBC programming on demand. Whether you're into dramas, documentaries, or sports, BBC iPlayer provides a vast library of British content that you can watch anytime. This means you'll never miss your favourite shows again. Another benefit is the ability to watch live TV. Not only does BBC iPlayer offer on-demand content, but you can also stream BBC channels live. This is particularly useful for watching live events and news as they happen, right from your smart TV. BBC iPlayer also supports multiple devices. Once you have an account, you can access the service on your smartphone, tablet, or even through a web browser. This flexibility allows you to enjoy your favorite programs whether at home or on the go. However, a potential downside is that BBC iPlayer requires a good internet connection. Streaming high-quality video content can consume a lot of bandwidth. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, you might experience buffering and interruptions. Another consideration is the geographical restriction. BBC iPlayer is only available in the UK. If you're outside the UK, you won't be able to access the service without the use of a VPN, which can complicate setup for some users. Additionally, while BBC iPlayer is free, it does require a valid TV license. This license is necessary for accessing any live TV broadcasting in the UK, which includes BBC iPlayer's live streaming services. Finally, navigating the vast amount of content on BBC iPlayer can sometimes be overwhelming for new users. Finding specific programs might require a bit of searching and familiarity with the platform's interface. Before we move on to the rest of the video, if you are finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps this video reach a wider audience. Here is a case study related to how to add BBC iPlayer to Smart TV. Meet Janet from Manchester, who recently purchased a new Smart TV and wanted to access BBC iPlayer to catch up on her favourite series, Line of Duty. Initially, Janet struggled with a slow internet connection that caused constant buffering. To resolve this, she upgraded her internet plan to a higher speed package specifically tailored for streaming. This simple change significantly improved her viewing experience, allowing her to enjoy her shows without interruption. Furthermore, Janet was initially confused by the geographical restrictions of BBC iPlayer, as she often travelled to Ireland. To ensure continuous access, she consulted with her internet service provider about legal options for accessing UK-based services abroad. They provided her with information on legitimate VPN services that comply with BBC iPlayer's terms of service, enabling her to watch her shows legally while travelling. If you're facing similar issues, here are some actionable steps you can take. First, ensure your internet connection is robust enough to handle streaming. You might consider discussing with your provider about the best plans available for high-definition video streaming. This adjustment can make a significant difference in your streaming experience. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the settings and features of BBC iPlayer. Spend some time exploring the app on your smart TV. Set up your preferences, check out the search features, and perhaps even try setting up parental controls if needed. This will help you maximize the benefits of your BBC iPlayer experience. If you found this video useful, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support really helps us bring more useful guides and tips to a wider audience, and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your enhanced viewing experience with BBC iPlayer on your smart TV.